Have you ever bought a lemon tree thinking it would be easy and then slowly watched it struggle indoors? That was me. Today I'm repotting my lemon tree and fixing the mistakes I didn't even know I was making and showing you how to successfully grow a lemon tree inside your home without killing it. So I have a pot that is a few sizes larger than the one it is currently in, and you want to pick a soil that is healthy and nutrient rich. I'm using the Fox Farms Happy Frog blend. You do not have to use this blend. You can certainly make your own soil. I'm just not there yet at that level. So I just made it easy on myself and purchased just a bag of soil to use. It is on the pricey side. I know that making your own soil is affordable, so you can also do that as well. The soil it has a lot of stuff in it, like a lot of life inside of it, which is what the plant needs. I actually ended up finding a live earthworm inside of it a few weeks later. So yeah, it was living in that bag, which is crazy, but that's okay. I'm just going to make sure that the pot is deep enough to fit the plant, and you just want to gently loosen it out of its original pot. Make sure you're holding the stem so it doesn't kind of just fall over. As you can see, it was due for a repot. Lemon trees grow fast roots, and when they get root bound, they can't absorb nutrients or water properly, especially indoors. And as you can see, my plant was kind of at that point. So I'm going to remove all the excess dirt so the roots are free and repot it in its new home. This pot that the plant came in also had a lot of like wood at the bottom of it, which can cause like rotting and like water issues where the roots can rot, a lot of mold issues. You want to make sure it has adequate drainage as well. I don't think wood pellets was a good idea, but it's not meant for it to be its forever home. Whichever container they ship it in, they're assuming you're going to repot it, which is what you need to do. So we're just going to remove the dirt and get the roots free. Here I'm just making sure the plant has enough room to actually fit in the pot without like spilling over. I'm just shaking off more of that dirt and make sure the roots are nice and loose. You don't want them to kind of be like compact and get root bound. And then after that, you just top it off with some more soil and you are all set. I do have more videos coming. The plant actually ended up losing those blooms after I repotted it, but it wasn't because of the repot. It was due to a lack of humidity in the air, which I'm going to show you guys in my next video, how to make sure that the leaves don't drop and your blooms don't drop. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.